What's going on, YouTube? It's Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, we're about to go on the first drive of the 2024 WRX TR. I just took delivery of this a couple days ago, and man, oh man, we about to take it for a drive. Still got to break it in, but I'm on my first tank of gas still. I'll tell you how I feel while I'm driving, but I got to go get some gas because the gas light came on yesterday. But this is it. Got the graphite color. The 19-inch wheels with the Brembos is the more track-ready WRX. What I felt about the base WRXs is the brakes on there were really squishy. So this fixes all of that. And then this ain't my favorite color, but I got what I could get at a great price. So we're about to take this on this first drive. But before we do, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. Well, this Michigan weather, boy, I tell you. So it was about 60 yesterday. It's going to be like 70 today. Tomorrow's going to be 80. Waking up to frosted windshields, so weather's getting ready to cool down. This is going to be the perfect car for that when the winter time comes, so we can do some shenanigans with that. So, yeah, let's get it on the road. This view is different from what I'm normally doing, but couldn't do the POV because my hair is like this. My head is too big. I already wear like the biggest hat that one could possibly wear, but because I have my hairstyle like this, I cannot put the hat on my head to do the POV. So we're going to do the dual cameras. Let me know what y'all think about this. So right now, window still foggy, cold start. Not that loud. So the wife says it vibrates the house. So let me go ahead and pull out the driveway. Car let me know the car in front of me had moved. I'm paying attention for the most part. Hear a little bit of the turbocharger. Nice. Up to speed quite nicely. Visibility on this car is phenomenal because it is just, the windows are so big. Uh-oh, we got a car up there. But the windows are so big, lets all the light shine in. Lighting is terrible right now. There we go. Now you can see my face. Can y'all see my face? Y'all want to see my face? But yeah, the ride on here is going to be firmer than the base WRX, but in a different type of way. It's been a couple years since I've driven a regular WRX, and that one that I drove, it was very stiff. And I feel like this is more of the same, but it's not Civic Type R type of stiff where it's just too jarring. Like the Civic Type R in R Plus mode, that was not my cup of tea. That car was too firm to my liking and gave me motion sickness. So I swapped out the Topher's module with my Integris module, and I tried it out. I ain't like it. But this car is probably about where the Civic Type R would be in the comfort or normal or sport mode, either the softest setting or the second setting. So this is that firm, and the TS is going to come out with the adaptive damper, so you can put it on whatever setting you want to for your suspension. But this is just a one-time suspension. It's cool because you ain't got to worry about, like, these can be expensive to repair, but since we got just basic shocks and dampers, just one setting. But it's cool. It is on the firm side. It doesn't get bouncy like some cars can get. It's cool, but over uneven pavement, it won't even beat you up. It's just more firm than what I'm used to. It's not bad though. Yet I only got like 290 something miles on here, 293. All right, let's test this shifter out. So I don't have the STI short throw shifter. This shift knob is pretty long. That's something I'm looking forward to fixing because it's not the most confidence inspiring. Feels a little bit, leaves me guessing sometimes. but the grip this car had, I can go through these corners much faster, and I'm much more confident in this WRX than a lot of other cars because that all-wheel drive. I just know it can take it. And then, like, once I hear the wheels squealing or just a little bit, I'm like, all right, it's got a little bit more to give before it gives out, so I can confidently do that in this car. Rear-wheel drive cars like my Miata, not so much, because that rear end can kick out if you do the wrong thing, so you got to be careful. Don't stab on the throttle in the middle of a turn. You just got to do it the right way, that's it. And on smooth roads, nothing to worry about, man. It's very comfortable. These seats are great. They hold you in so tightly. It's like if you're a larger person, these seats are going to suck for you, because I'm like an average build, and it's like fits me like a glove. So if you're larger than me, you might want to consider a Limited, well, not a GT because it comes with these seats, but the Limited has like these Recaro looking seats as well, but these are true Recaros right here. The Limited is not branded Recaro. They look similar though, or even the Premium, they come with different seats. Let's test these brakes. They got stuff on the back seat. These things bite. Kind of regret doing that because my stuff is flying around the back seat. All right, let's hop right back on. Super confidence inspiring as my GoPro tilts to the side. All them G-forces in. About to leave Costco. From 20 miles to empty to fill up was about 14 and a half gallons, or $56 at $3.87. Now the trip computer says 350 miles to empty, which is a lot. I think it'll do that too. First tank, it averaged like 19 miles per gallon according to the trip computer. And when I first got the car, it was like 8 miles per gallon, and it was already 30 miles in, so a bunch of idling. I'm not even sure if they put premium in there, because when I first jabbed the throttle, I remember WRXs feeling faster than this, unless I got used to the Miata and the Integra. And I know this shouldn't feel faster than the Miata because it got a lot more torque, but the Miata is a lot lighter. But I don't know. We about to see since I filled up with premium. I know premium, when I opened the gas tank, it said premium is recommended, but I don't know if it's required. Like, yeah, it can run off regular. When I see recommended, that makes me think that it can run off regular. But I don't know what the dealership did. But hopefully this adjusts this fuel tank, because I want it to be punchy. Actually, let's go. Play and trap. Well, let's not say that. All right, don't want to say it feels better already, but could be it. But we'll give it some time. Maybe another video, because I know it's a bit sluggish in that first gear. This is good. Yeah, this thing pushes you back a little bit. The first time I drove a WRX, I was like, wow, this car is actually pretty quick. Like, this is another car where the numbers don't matter that much. And if the numbers do matter, you can tune it. Get off-the-shelf Cobb tuner. That's the one that I know of the most, the first one that comes to head. But a lot of people tune these, and they can have monstrous power. Will I tune this car? I don't know. My Integra scared me of that. But this car should be different. I'm going to see how it is the first 1,000 miles if I got any kind of issues. But if we good to go, then sky's the limit. We'll do whatever. Riding on normal roads that aren't as immaculate, it's a little bit, feel every imperfection in the road. This shifter though, I'm going to have to get some kind of shifter modification, be it a short throw shifter or something, because the throws are definitely long, and I like to feel more confident. This is way too long. I need to feel more confidence going in the gear, because sometimes I got to put a little bit of extra muscle to confidently go into the gear. It's a good box though, but just need something better. So the TR of yesterday, tuner ready, that was like a base type of WRX. Got 300 miles exactly. That just got you, if you just want performance, that's it, bare bones. This TR is something completely different. This is like a fully loaded model because this takes things from the GT and the Limited. It takes the Recaro seats from the Limit or the GT, which was CVT only, and it takes everything else from the Limited minus the sunroof. So I got home link in here. They mostly all come with heated seats. What else do these things got? I don't know. I'm not very familiar with this car. I still haven't gone through all my settings yet, but this car has most of the features. Got the adaptive headlights. I have noticed that when I turn the steering wheel. But let me get to driving right now. Green light, people. Oh my God, we not about to miss this light. Dilly-dallying and carrying on. Let me give them some time so they can merge onto the expressway so that I may merge onto the expressway into a way that I would like to. See traffic coming in front of me. They gone. We clear. Let's go. I just did a rookie mistake where you jab on it in the middle of a turn, not at the apex, exit in the corner, and I could feel the car. If this car didn't have traction control on, it would have done something goofy or squirrely. And I knew that was going to happen. I just wanted to see how the car would respond. The symmetrical all-wheel drive going to save lives. Not to say that I was about to come into a fatal accident, but just got to practice safe driving. This car is not as horrible on gas as people say. Like 19 miles per gallon on the first tank, that ain't bad at all. So I was averaging, what the heck, imperfections in the road. I saw some vibration, but it was, I can look at the road and see that's some terrible road. They just redid this whole highway. Unless my tire about to go out. I don't know, that would be terrible. We'll see. I hope not. But yeah, this would be good for the road trips. The seats are, like I said, very snug. These are firm seats too, but not uncomfortable. There are some firm seats that are uncomfortable. Downshift rev matches amazingly. And that power band from like 3,000 to 5,000 RPM. I feel like the gas made a little bit of a difference. Oh yeah, she moving now. They had to put regular up in here. Now you can feel this thing just bouncing around. But yeah, I'm not digging this video, the lighting and everything, so I might just scrap the whole video and start all over, or just add to after this. But let me add after this one. You know what? This video turned out all right. We gonna keep you. We're not gonna scrap everything. So if you made it to this part of the video, you're a hero. And if you left the video for some odd reason, your mother's a... I don't make the rules. I just enforce them. So it's unfortunate, but that's what it is. So I know a lot of you are gonna be new to the channel. So welcome aboard. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, consider. Definitely helps me out. But I also do long-term reviews on my cars, modifications. So I got a pressed vehicle I get like every week. So this is the 2025 Infiniti QX55. I get about a pressed car a week. And then I also have another car, which y'all might like. This is my 2024 Miles Miata Grand Touring. Got a couple things done to it. So y'all see more videos of that. I'm going to record another video soon. Actually, this weekend after I release that video. And I also got another 2025 vehicle, which isn't here right now. Got to release that vehicle probably next week. Definitely appreciate you all for being here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know about the format of this one. That's for all my OG subscribers. I normally do a POV. Do y'all like the dual camera action or do you prefer the POV? Let me know. That's all I got to say about that, guys. Remember to drive safe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.